Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Through this video, I will show you a necklace design. For this necklace design, I have used canvas sheet, ball chain, eye pins and pearls. I will continue to give you step by step how to make the jewelry. Please watch the video till end. Friends, hope you like this butterfly necklace design. First, I drew a butterfly picture on a canvas sheet. Cut out the butterfly with scissors. The butterfly we will make for the necklace. And a half bead to represent the butterfly face with fabric glue. Use different color ball chains to make this butterfly. And I added the ball chains with fabric glue. I have used stone chain because the butterfly looks more beautiful. Stone chain is more expensive than ball chain and it looks very beautiful. Here I have used stone chains which looks very beautiful when adding stone chain to any jewelry design. Ball chains are slowly and very carefully put on butterfly with fabric glue. Here I am putting ball chains on canvas sheet with needle. You can use any color ball chain for the butterfly. Add half bead. Use canvas sheet for that type of jewel because canvas sheet does not get damaged even if it gets wet. eye pins and half beads for the upper part of the butterfly's head. After that, I will cut a small eye pin from the middle into 2 parts. Add a total of 5 small eye pins to the back of the butterfly. Cover it with canvas sheet with the help of fabric glue. Now our butterfly making is complete. Now we will make the necklace chain. To make the chain, we use 6 mm off-white pearls and 14 mm off-white pearls. First take total 7 pieces 6 mm pearls, then take 1 14 mm pearls. Then take 6 pieces 6 mm off-white pearls and 14 mm off-white pearls. Again 6 mm 6 pieces off-white pearls and 1 14 mm off-white pearls. We'll continue to make the chain in this way. Hope you like this necklace design. If you like ball chain jewelry, please comment. To make the chain look more beautiful, we will complete the chain by adding pearls in the same way at the back. Here also we have used 6 mm off-white pearls. In the same way we will make the chain on the side. Look a little better with the help of the eye pins we have added. We will add ghungru with the help of jump ring to the eye pins below the butterfly, so that the necklace design looks more beautiful. In this video, tell us how you like this necklace, and please support your jewelry channel DiyArtiePie by subscribing.